Welcome to 265 Snowden Road and my brand new listing here in Bronte, one of Oakville's most sought after neighborhoods. This beautiful bungalow behind me has meticulously been updated. And you know what I love about it? It keeps the old charm, but it gives you the modern features that everybody wants today. 3 bedrooms plus there's another one downstairs, beautifully landscaped, quiet neighborhood for all your children, walk to schools, walk to the lake. It's an absolutely great place to raise your family. You know what? Let's go inside and have a tour and I'll tell you all about it. The main floor renovation opens up the space beautifully, adding a stunning family room with vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, and a walkout to a private backyard deck. The kitchen was expanded to create the perfect gathering space, complete with Corian countertops, built-in stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, large island with seating, and pot lights. The living and dining rooms flow seamlessly together, ideal for entertaining with large windows that fill the space with natural light and plenty of room to host family dinners or celebrations with friends. Each bedroom offers generous closet space with bright windows overlooking the quiet, tree-lined street and private yard. The primary bedroom features a double closet and sun-filled views, while the second and third bedrooms are equally inviting with stylish finishes like custom wainscoting. The lower level offers exceptional flexibility, featuring a large 4th bedroom that's perfect for older children, in-laws, or a dedicated home office. A spacious recreation room with a gas fireplace and a separate side entrance for added convenience. Step outside to a private backyard oasis with multiple zones for relaxing and entertaining. A large deck, stone patio, and plenty of green space for kids to play. Set in a quiet, family-friendly street, this is a community where children walk to nearby schools, make lasting friendships, and families truly feel at home. 265 Snowden Road, a beautifully cared-for home in prime Oakville location, offering comfort, character, and a lifestyle that's hard to find. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 265 Snowden Road. As you see, some beautiful updates and a great place to entertain family and friends. If you want more information about this house, give me a call or send me a message. I'm happy to provide you more information or give you a private tour. Follow me on social media at #HomeJadesRemax. Help us share the video and help us find the lucky new family. And you know what? Have yourself a beautiful day.